Okay, hello, this is Violet Jessel here.
I'm Charlie.
Yeah. Again?
Again? Come here, come here. Come here. Yeah, we did this on Monday. Dude.
So,
delete one.
Yeah,
you were on camera?
Today I'm
You
here
were on the
to
camera?
ask him about his gayness interview, and I mean it.
Trying to hide
Sounds
something?
rude.
You got a bald spot or something?
No, my hair. So here we go, question one.
Well,
Oh, you're driving.
before we talk about me.
Okay, well, go ahead.
Well, you missed out though. The first part of the story.
We got these two girls. I mean, boys. So our homie, and her nasty tongue. I was talking about her because she went up. Anyway, now back to us because we're the cute ones.
Make sure they know.
Today. I guess I'm always cute.
They're letting us be the cute ones for today, you know.
So we're making a video.
So
We were gonna make a video about me being gay and stuff. We're actually gonna make a video about
What's your drink?
my cute lips. What do you want to make a video about? We're gonna make a video.
Simple questions about you.
No. We're gonna make a video about ratchet hoes.
Ratchet hoes. Okay,
Why not?
so we're here at school,
Chamber ratchet.
and guess what? We got a hell of a lot of ratchets.
There's a lot of shitty bitches here,
None of them
and they be talking so much
around.
shit, and they do nothing about it. And my eyes look really like.
Every time you take a picture or you on camera, you always switch your eyes. He does his sexy look. You've seen it? You've seen it. Look at it. Ooh, this bitch.
Like, really?
But no, seriously.
So we got all these ratchets over here around all these places.
They're not ratchet. Don't let these people fool you.
No, there's shitload of ratchet bitches in this place, okay? It's like the hose den. Instead of the lion's den, it's the hose den.
Like the one in our car. Little fluffy girl,
And these bitches know.
the badass,
They know.
the high-pitched one.
We have
You got on my nerves.
this, for example,
You know what I'm talking about,
we have
right?
this
The
couple.
One big chick in our class.
Oh my god, yes! There's a couple here that sat all the way in the corner over there.
In the
I don't
corner?
even like the little one.
In the corner?
Little redhead.
Yeah, in the corner.
There's somewhere. Oh no, they're actually outside. I saw them outside.
So they stand in
They're
the corner.
so ratchet as fuck. They be sitting all the way in the back, making out like if it's a thing to do.
And they look at us. They'll stare at us while they're making out. Like, I've never seen them do that to anyone else here.
No,
But
like
if
they
we're
give us
sitting,
dirty looks.
and they'll be like,
Dirty looks.
and they'll just start making out while still looking at us. Who does that?
Are they
Like,
here?
for example, they'll be like this.
They
But
be
they're
making out like
but
crazy.
you're seeing it, not just a cover up, you know? You're actually seeing their tongue go all over the place. While they're staring at you, they're like,
Like they're
Look at you.
having babies in their mouth. That's how fucking deep they get into. Like I think he's coming in her mouth. That's why she's like always sucking on his mouth. Like they're so deep in that shit.
Even though nut is very disgusting tasting.
I wouldn't know. I don't know. I don't know.
No comment?
We wouldn't know because we're virgins.
My ass.
Details.
We're virgins. We believe in having the right guy, which I know who my right guy is because he's gonna fuck the shit out of me, and his name is Bob from Big Bang. And this bitch is a fucking hater.
Whoa, no. I'm gonna tell you right now. He's never gonna have stuff. I will kill you.
This bitch is saying too much.
He's my husband first. He didn't know anything about him until I introduced him, okay? T.O.P. forever. I love him.
What happened to interviewing him about the gayness?
Okay. You know what? This bitch is gonna be hogging all the fucking camera if she's talking about top. FYI, whatever she says is fucking lying. Top is my.
No, don't listen to this. Okay? It's always trouble with this guy. He's always trying to steal my man.
Top is the one with the blue
What's
hair, right?
I never steal no one's man. They come to me. So
No.
FYI, they go and they cheat on the bitches. Okay? They don't cheat on me. Okay? They come to me.
Put me on the bitch now. My God. He did not cheat. This guy came through my window. He came through my window fake like he was me. With top, you know? I was like, whoa. I walk into his room like, what the fuck?
No, he's mine because
No.
he knocks on my door, and then he gets the key and he goes in, he goes upstairs, and he knocks on the door. He's like, hey babe, I got the lotion, I got everything, I got the fucking lube, I got the extra large condoms, even though he's a little tiny, but we still hitting that shit.
You cannot say all Asians are not itty bitty.
Okay, they're not all tiny. I know.
He's
I know that for a
See,
fact. They're not tiny.
that tells you he don't know he's talking. Sock's got nice vintage going on, you know?
Dude.
Whatever.
I'm not that tiny.
Okay, so back to what it
Yeah, a
is.
little bit.
So,
We're actually gonna cut this video and make a new video. We're actually gonna think of something to say because we're just like
we're gonna do a
freestyle.
multiple.
This is freestyle.
Yeah.
So we're gonna stop this one. We're gonna stop this one.
So goodbye, YouTube. And I'm out.